Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we're unboxing the hot side boost pipes. So this was ordered through Laird Performance. It looks like it's been sent from Sico Developments though, which I'm sure, obviously because it's an SD part, I'm sure it's just kind of come direct from them instead, which is absolutely fine. However, that whole, buying it and everything has been awesome. So once again, Ross is an absolute top guy to speak to, and he's very knowledgeable about all the parts that he actually sells, which is nice. I ordered it one day and it came the next. So I ordered it yesterday and it came today, which is wicked. So anyway, I don't really know what I've ordered, and I don't know what to expect in a box. This is a complete mystery, and completely, shall we say, I don't know, just a random unboxing. I seriously do not know what to expect. So we're just going to use the bluntest knife I own to open this box. I am trying to do this one-handed, which is quite hard. There we go, we're getting there, we're getting there. We need a bit more cutting. There we go. So yeah, I'm not sure what's going to be in this box. It's going to be a complete mystery, but let's have a look. So, inside we have, cool, so inside the box we have, let's just tip this out, there we go. So we have a random silicone pipe that I have no idea where it goes to, but we've got one. 2 hose clips. Once again, no idea. I guess it would probably go onto there, but I don't have a clue. And inside here we have, or should be, first of all, the amount of bubble wrap, as you can see, is insane. So well done, I guess, SD Developments. I can congratulate them for packing this one, because that is hell of a packing job. Like, I'm well impressed. And there we have it. That is the hot side boost pipe. Once again, I have no idea where any of this goes, but we're going to fit it all tomorrow. I'm going to take my bumper off as well. I may have a boost leak somewhere. So I'm going to fit this, and I'm also going to take the bumper off and look for the boost leak on my intercooler. But that's a whole different story. There'll be another completely different video on that. But yeah, this is looking nice so far. Let's just slide it out of here if we can. This is extremely hard to do one-handed. Right, we're almost there. And there we have it. Tell you what, it's a good looking part, I'll give them that. So, one of the things to always check for, if the company that you buy for actually cares about you and your car, they won't have metal shavings inside the pipes. Because obviously where they're all cut and stuff and they're all bent and, metal shavings end up inside. I've seen cheap pipes actually come with metal shavings inside the pipes. Obviously you really don't want to be running that through your car. So always look for that. If you're getting metal shavings, or I guess the manufacturing process is still kind of visible, then you might want to start thinking about a different company. But yeah, no, the welds look nice. It's just a nice piece of kit. So obviously you can, if you want to my knowledge, please don't quote me on this. Once again, I have no idea what I'm talking about. But I'm pretty sure you can buy this section separate if you wanted, which is the resonator delete. So I'll show you obviously in the installation video, but that's where the resonator is, I think. And then this section's kind of the extra pipe if you want it. Or you can buy the complete unit like I have. Which comes with, once again, a silicone and 2 hose clamps. I really don't know where this silicone goes. I can only assume it will go there. But yeah, we'll check all that out at a later date. But thank you guys for watching. Thank you to Laird Performance for supplying this. Thank you to SD Developments for sending it, I guess. Why not? You can have a thank you as well. Look forward to installing this onto my car, and hopefully solving some of the problems that I've got currently underlining my car. We'll see. But it's looking good, nice and shiny, really good quality, and the packaging is awesome. So thank you so much for packing it like that. It makes a change compared to some other companies. But yeah, thank you for watching. Remember to like, favorite, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.